And at the time, President Duterte, acknowledged that there were great problems in terms of the flood control projects. Pero wala namang nangyari. Having acknowledged it, it did not find accountability in anybody. So I guess that was left up to me to do. I guess that was left up to me to do. But also they have to realize there are two sides to this. Sinasabi yung flood control, talagang nang-overwhelm ang flood control natin. May flood control tayo, may flood control tayo, may flood control tayo. Hindi kaya.
This is not news but opinions and questions only. Please consume moderate.
Question from Ivan Mayrina.
Good morning, Mr. President.
Yeah.
Almost a year ago, during your fourth State of the Nation address, you called out corruption and said, mahiya naman kayo before the members of Congress. That set expectations from you and your administration that you will wage war against corruption and no one will be spared. 1 year hence, Mr. President, do you think your administration has done enough and fast enough?
Well, I cannot say that we have done enough because we're not done yet. Unfortunately, the more we look, the more we find. And it's going already back beyond my administration, beyond my term. If you remember, I think it was in 2018, already the minority floor leader in the House, Nonoy Andaya, already says that he had uncovered 300 plus billion flood control mess.
Sa pagpihit ng panahon, ang hagupit ng La Nina at mga matinding pag-ulan naman ang ating binabantayan at pinaghahandaan. Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na. Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na. At marami pang iba ang kasalukuyang ginagawa sa buong bansa.
And so when we look at what happened last year or the year before, then we can see that the pattern extends beyond 2022, back beyond 2022.
But also they have to realize there are two sides to this. Sinasabi yung flood control, talagang nang-overwhelm ang flood control natin. May flood control tayo, may flood control tayo, may flood control tayo. Hindi kaya. Maraming nagsasabi, nababasa ko sa dyaryo, naririnig ko sa radyo, television, nasa na mga flood control. Nandyan ang mga flood control, na-overwhelm lang. Nandyan ang mga flood control, na-overwhelm lang. Nandyan ang mga flood control, na-overwhelm lang.
And at the time, President Duterte, acknowledged that there were great problems in terms of the flood control projects. Pero wala namang nangyari. Having acknowledged it, it did not find accountability in anybody. So I guess that was left up to me to do.
Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na.
I guess that was left up to me to do. And so
So in-acknowledge ni Pangulong Duterte ang flood control noong 2018. Yan ang sinasabi mo. Bakit mo tinuloy after nakaupo ka na? July 2024, sinabi mo tapos na yung mga flood control projects. Ano yung sinasabi mo na it was left to you? It was left to you for what? To continue the racket? Unggoy ka. Nanliling lang ka talaga eh. Nabuking ka lang sa sarili mong racket. Imbis na ayusin mo, nagdagdag ka pa ng 5,500 flood control scandal. Wala akong nakikitang matinong flood control, lalong-lalo na sa Luzon.
I mean, you're all experienced journalists. You know this is a deep-seated system of corruption that requires not only structural changes in the way government is run, in the way that the budget is written, but also a change in attitude. Kasi ang sinabi ko, mahiya naman kayo. Pag tinanong mo sa akin, nahiya ba sila? Yung iba, hindi.
Maraming nagsasabi, nababasa ko sa dyaryo, nababasa ko, naririnig ko sa radyo, television, nasa na mga flood control. Nandyan ang mga flood control, na-overwhelm lang.
The culture of within government, where to take they put all kinds of nice words, rebate, kung ano. Kickback yan. Wala nang ibang sa tunay na salita, kickback yan. Okay daw yun. Para sa iba, okay sa kanila yun. At saka karapatan nila bilang whatever, na meron silang share doon sa ganagastos ng pera ng gobyerno.
Unggoy ka pala eh. Hindi kilala mo yung mga nangurakot. Siraulo ka.
One follow-up, please.
Yeah.
What do you plan to do moving forward, Mr. President, now that corruption has become the favorite talking point among your critics and those who are calling for your ouster?
My answer?
My ouster.
My ouster?
Yes. Binabalik po nila sa inyo ito.
From critics.
Yeah. Ano, kung hindi ko sinabi yung sinabi ko sa SONA, wala tayong pinag-uusapan na ganito.
Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na.
One that has started to do anything about this. Bakit ang mga nakaramba na Pangulo, may nakita ba kayong ginawang ganon? Meron ba silang kinulong? Meron ba silang finish na account? Meron ba silang mga investigasyon na ginawa? Wala. Sa akin lang.
May flood control tayo, hindi kaya. Hindi kaya.
Yung racket ko, di ba? That makes absolutely no sense. So,
Puking ka sa sarili mong racket, unggoy ka.